Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Meghalaya Aids Control Society ka lapan krea da ka kusnam, ka basilak tengkai ka kunhun, ka manlong ka lado ha ka jiga kop tem on plong, balatip kum ka Rock the Ribbon Superstar Meghalaya Icon ka ban salong hanong ba Shillong. Haka khat ar bat khat lai trik nok para ar hajar khat khandai kat ba ka ji kon final pan kan salong haka khat sau trik nok para ar hajar khat khandai ka kun hun tem ka ban salong kala do na kan ni garan sa ni ko rwai kan sayo alat ban lek mi khmat ya ka jela Meghalaya ban ya khun pat ya ka second North East Multimedia Campaign ka ban salong haka khat pra trik nok para ar hajar khat khandai haka nong ba Impal jong ka jela Manipur haka ji kran mi kila pathai kubor haka ar khandai trik nai weng ar hajar khat khandai uba meban wajri ulai thu baka Max kala penbej ban pensedang shwa daki audition haki district paper joga jela shwa ban penlong ya kaji kon final.
Of course, this year it comes with again with the Know Your HIV Status team. So through this particular event, we're trying to encourage the youths and all the general public and the general people as well to come forward to do the testing. Because we all know HIV is a particular virus that once it attacks the human body, it stays there and there's no cure for it. And the only way how to protect ourselves is through by knowing about HIV/AIDS. And by knowing HIV/AIDS, we can protect ourselves and we can also protect everyone that surrounds us. And through this particular program, we are trying to create that awareness among the youths how to actually come forward to do the testing. So all the participants are required to do compulsory counseling and testing, in which they'll be also graded upon the awareness on HIV and AIDS. So even the participants, they have to be in advance aware about this particular program. It's not just about music, it's also about them knowing and learning about HIV and AIDS. And also through this particular program, we're looking forward for that sessions in where we try to sensitize most of the youths and the participants at the venue itself, and at the same time we try to bring about that platform for young talents that we have in the state. Like we all know, Meghalaya is no short of talents, and we're trying to give this platform, at the same time trying to help youth to come out and actually express themselves through music, and also at the same time so that they can get something in return, in this case, to be educated about HIV/AIDS.
We'll be traveling to most of the districts to create mobilization and create awareness on AIDS. We'll be traveling to Cleriat, Larambai, Tura, Williamnagar, all these places as well with the road show. Apart from that, we'll be giving a prize money for the winners. A total cash prize is 1,75,000 rupees, which is 1 lakh for the winner, 50,000 for the runners-up,
And
20,000 for the third place, and we're giving 5,000 rupees for the best AIDS song. So every band which competes in this competition will have to present one AIDS theme song, and will be judged and be given a prize in that.